Hi guys, we're the Pack Life family because we're packing some light in our hearts and our bags as we explore and do some sightseeing. We will also be touching lives and leaving some light everywhere we go. I am Gigi, the mother of the family and also the funniest one. I will also be handling the camera. So as you can see here, I'm learning how to use my new equipment, opening up my new MacBook. It is so exciting. Make sure you follow along as we share this wonderful story.
Okay. Can you see yourself? Yeah. Okay, cool. So if I turn it this way, can you see yourself?
You got it. You got it. Look at you. This girl is a top student, man.
Okay. So I'm making my first film here.
Okay.
And Sky, do you want to be my first film? Sky is over here in two different shoes.
And you can tilt down, remember. So the joystick roll.
Oh.
You can see that. Yep. You can bring it
Okay,
down.
now I'm tilting up.
Up.
Ooh, that went up fast.
Yeah.
Okay. So now I'm going to try to go back down. How do I do that?
Is it going down?
I don't feel it.
Let it control you. You control it, okay?
Okay.
Get as comfortable with it, you know. And when you get there, I'm sure you will.
This is where my shooting ends because it's really messy up here.
Hi.
Sky? Sky, can I see your shoes? Let me see your shoes, Sky. Can you stand over here so I can see your shoes? You have to stand right.
You want to see my shoes? Mommy, I don't like shoes showing.
Are you excited? Wait. I'm gonna cut that out. That's not gonna make it. Say hi, Sky. All the bags. Okay.
Wow.
18, 19, 20. Good job. All right, close your eyes and you get a gift. And put your hands out. Put your hands out so we can see it. Is your hand there? All right. Where's your hand? All right, open your eye. Good job. You got a new Hot Wheel, right? Every time you learn something new, or you keep trying, you get a new gift. If not from me, you get a new gift in life. All right?
Wow.
So keep trying to work hard.
Daddy 101.
Look, Mommy. Now move the camera out of the way.
I'm looking. I can see through the camera. Yay, we're in New York City. So we have this love-hate relationship with New York. We love New York, but we hate New York. Look at this traffic. You miss me? Caleb, reach for it. He's not gonna reach. The gap is too big. Okay. We're done like hanging out with family and left the event that we went to, and now I'm running around looking for more gadgets and like little equipment that I still need. Boy, I'm so last minute, it's not even funny. But yeah, at this point I'm tired, I'm exhausted. I haven't slept for like 1 week. Okay, just kidding, but I'm exhausted. And this is New York. This is what I like about New York. The lights, the lights, the lights. Sky, Sky, Sky. Dancing in the middle of the store to music that I don't even think is dancing music. Let's go. Sky, let's go. Come on.
I'm not ready.
Well, I'm ready. Let's go. Let's go. We gotta go. It's getting late. Huh? He's having fun. He doesn't want to leave. He's a tech guy. Sky, listen. There's cars here. We don't run here. Running here is not allowed. You gotta stay close to me. That's how you end up in trouble. You gotta hold my hand. Grandma is waiting. Look, you don't want to leave? You want to stay in Manhattan? Let's drive to a cool spot. Let's drive to Times Square. Times Square. Saying I'll take him to Times Square because I know how much he loves Times Square. He gets excited when he's in the city. That's why he's bouncing around so much. And he's making me realize how difficult this whole recording and mothering at the same time is going to be while traveling. But I know I can do it. So stay tuned and see what happens as I venture into vlogging. Our flight is in just a few hours, early in the morning. Our first stop is Dubai. I'm so excited. Don't forget to subscribe.